Westwood Family Chiropractic has been caring for animals and pets for over 30 years. Very often, people bring their animals to a chiropractor as a last resort, being told that their animal is going to get put to sleep, or is unable to walk, or is having orthopedic issues of various types, and sometimes even organic issues. And they decide to consult a chiropractor to see if chiropractic might be able to help them. Very often it is. We've seen miracles happen as a result of very specific, gentle chiropractic care where animals have lived longer, become healthier as a result of caring for their spine. Chiropractic care doesn't really treat any medical condition. It gets the body to work better by ensuring that the spine and the nerves that pass through the spine are functioning properly. It allows the body to control and regulate its own function, able to get over disorders and diseases that oftentimes keep them from working properly. With very gentle chiropractic adjustments, animals are able to have better life expression, be healthier and weller. It doesn't replace good quality veterinary or medical care. Chiropractic care is an enhancement of an animal's or a person's life expression to allow the body to work better, function better, and be healthy and well. All of the monies that are paid to us for the care of animals is contributed back to charity. Feel free to call us at any time to see if chiropractic care can benefit any member of your family.